Want to send money instantly with Navy Federal? Setting up Zelle is quick and easy. First, ensure you're enrolled in Navy Federal's digital banking. If you haven't enrolled yet, visit their website to get started. Once you are enrolled, open the Navy Federal mobile app or log into online banking. Navigate to the Pay and Transfer section and select Send Money with Zelle. If it's your first time using Zelle, you need to enroll. Choose to link either your U.S. mobile number or email address. Follow the prompts to verify your choice. Please note, your mobile number or email can only be associated with one Zelle account at a time. If you have used Zelle with another financial institution, you'll need to transfer your information to Navy Federal. For assistance, contact Navy Federal Zelle support team at 1-888-842-6328. Once enrolled, you're ready to send money. To make a payment, select a recipient from your contact or enter the information manually, enter the amount, and confirm the transaction. That's it. You're all set to use Zelle through Navy Federal Credit Union. If this video helped, tap like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments if you want a tutorial on requesting money or using Zelle with your business account next. See you in the next video. Until